Hello everyone, my name is Wei from the Mobi Media team, and today we're diving into an exciting platform that's revolutionizing cryptocurrency trading. Stick around because this is very interesting. It's called League of Traders, and I'm thrilled to share with you how it's changing the game for both novice and experienced traders alike. So what exactly is League of Traders? Well, it's more than just another trading app. Founded in 2019 in Seoul, South Korea, it's a comprehensive social trading platform that combines performance tracking, copy trading, and competitive leagues. Their motto, multiplayer is a lot more interesting than single player. Let's break down what makes League of Traders unique. It allows users to see each other's portfolios. You can also share strategies and copy trades. What this means is that you can have it set to automatically copy someone's trades if you want your trades to be the same as theirs. For example, if they're very successful, we'll touch on that a little bit later. You can also participate in competitive trading leagues with cash prizes, and you can connect multiple exchange accounts to consolidate your data into one streamlined application. Before we dive deeper, here's some exciting news. In September 2024, so very recently, League of Traders secured $2.4 million in pre-Series A funding. This round was led by C3 VC Fund with participation from Marana Ventures and Cadenza Capital Management. This investment will help expand user offerings and improve current copy trading features, and I think we can see that there's definitely something that they're doing right for them to receive this large amount of funding. So let's talk about their key features. At the heart of League of Traders is this unique leaderboard. And here's what makes it special. You get real-time rankings based on various performance indicators, detailed trader profiles showing win rates, profit factors, and more, historical performance data to identify consistent winners, and the ability to compare your performance against top traders. Use this feature to benchmark your performance and identify areas for improvement in your trading strategy. Additionally, you can jump into these profiles, look at their portfolios, and really learn from the best. It's a very interesting approach, and it's gamifying the way that we earn money. Another amazing key feature is the copy trading. So this is one of the most powerful features, and here's how it works. You can browse the leaderboard to find successful traders, just like we mentioned earlier. Then you can check their performance metrics and their trading style. And if they align with your trading style and your goals, you can choose to copy their trades with your desired investment amount. And then as soon as you kind of agree to that, you let the app automatically replicate their trades for you at a hope of getting their win rates and their success. This feature is perfect for beginners looking to learn or busy traders wanting to diversify their strategy. In 2022, users' trading accounts connected to League of Traders had volumes of over $4 billion per month, with April 2022 alone topping $5.4 billion. Again, clearly they're doing something right. And they also have competitive trading leagues. This is similar to the gamifying approach that we discussed earlier. For those with a competitive streak, League of Traders offers trading leagues with cash prizes for top finishers. This gamification aspect adds an extra layer of excitement to your trading experience. It's a great way to test your skills against peers and potentially earn rewards in the process. League of Traders also allows you to connect multiple exchange accounts at once. This means you can consolidate all your trading data in one convenient, easy to understand portfolio. You can get a comprehensive view of your overall trading performance, and you can easily manage and track your diverse crypto investments. Now, if you've ever had multiple trading accounts, it's very tough to consolidate all of them in a streamlined manner, and League of Traders helps you do exactly that. They also have League Points and lot tokens. So League of Traders has introduced a reward system called League Points, and here's how it works. You earn points for various activities within the app. You complete simple missions like following them on X or Twitter, or referring a friend, which is a great way to earn the points. And then points can be exchanged for lot tokens. Lot tokens will offer benefits like fee discounts, access to premium services, and participation in streaming events. If you want to use our referral link, that'll be in the description below, and then you can share your referral link to earn those points and earn a passive income. It's important to note that League of Traders doesn't use your money directly. Your funds remain in your connected exchanges. The platform is partnered with some of the best exchanges in the industry, ensuring a secure and seamless experience. So how do you get started? It's very easy. When you're ready to join the League of Traders community, you download the app from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. You create your account and you connect your API key from your preferred exchange. Then you can start exploring the leaderboard, setting up copy trades, or joining a league. Remember, connecting your API key is crucial to unlock the full potential of the app. You can also jump onto their website and find out more information there. That's it for today's introduction to League of Traders. With over 100,000 users from 90 plus countries and $5 billion plus in monthly trading volume, it's clear that League of Traders is making waves in the crypto world that you don't want to miss out on. Don't forget to use our referral link in the description below to get started and earn some bonus League points. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, make sure to follow League of Traders on X for the latest updates. We'll leave all of their links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Hope you earn some great profits.